Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to resolve or how to fix when your camera not working properly in your Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first step is go to the start menu and type registry editor and right click and run as administrator, or select this option directly, run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, click on yes and select these options. Select H key local machine and scroll down and select software. Select ᴡɪᴛഘ node. Scroll down and select Microsoft. Select Windows Media Foundation. This option. And browse platform. Select this option and create in the right side in the blank space. Select this platform and right click new and select the word 32 value and rename with this name. Type enable frame server mode. And hit enter or click in a blank space. And double click in the new key and select the value data 0 and hexadecimal option and click on OK. Restore your folder architecture and close this window and restart to apply the change. Go to the start menu and select restart. After restarting your PC, you can try any app with using your camera. For example, oh my god. For example, Skype or Skype, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, whatever. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.